big guard dog is.
On a rainy Wednesday morning, that's the way I was born in this associate crop was one-room country shack. They say my mama left me the same day that she had me. Said she hit the road and never once looked back. And I forgot to mention that my grandma's old age pension is the only reason I'm standing here today. I got all my Sunday learning, milking and churning, picking cotton, raising hail, and baling hay. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, hey, I wasn't born no yesterday. I got a good Christian raising and a great education. Ain't no needing y'all to treat me this way. Take a little bit, baby. Well, sweet Carolina, don't think I'll ever find another woman put together like you are. I like your wiggle and your walking and your big city talking and your brand new shiny Plymouth ragtop car. And it's hurry up and away in this land of give and take. It makes for haste, makes for wasting every time. And I declare to my old soul when I hear those A's roll, you better bet I'm gonna get my share of mine. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. I've got a good Christian raising and a great education, and no needing y'all to treat me this way. Take it again, man. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. I got a good Christian raising and a great education. Ain't no needing y'all to treat me this way. Ain't no needing y'all to treat me this way. Ain't no